Hey guys, there's a couple of rumors online that Samsung may be bringing back the IR Blaster on the Galaxy Note 10. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this. Let's talk about it on this video. Hey, just real quick, remember, if you're new, consider subscribing. We're always making videos about the Galaxy Note phones. And just to get started, again, this is only a rumor. It has not been confirmed. Samsung is expected to release the Galaxy Note 10 around August 10, August 13. We'll know for sure soon. But should Samsung bring back the IR Blaster in the Galaxy Note 10? I know a lot of you guys are gonna say yes, they should. One of the latest leaks in Twitter from Sudanshu1414 shows a case that was already manufactured, or a pre-manufactured case for the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, where it shows an extra hole on top of the case. What this means is, in the past couple of months or the past couple of years since the IR Blaster was discontinued from the Galaxy Note phones and the S series, on the top we usually only get one hole, and that hole is for the microphone. Now on this leak, the case shows an extra hole which is a little bit bigger, and it looks very similar to what it would be a hole for an IR Blaster. But now let's step back for a second. Samsung discontinued the IR Blaster after the Galaxy Note 4. So when Note 5 came out, it did not have the IR Blaster. The same for the Galaxy S series. After the Galaxy S6 series, the IR Blaster was gone. Well, why will Samsung bring it back in 2019? On a phone that is almost $1,000 or is gonna cost over $1,000. Will it be true that Samsung is finally listening to the fan base? I know a lot of you guys been posting a lot of comments in my past videos saying they want the IR Blaster back. I know some people don't really care because you can control your smart devices through Wi-Fi, but there's still a lot of people around the world that do not have a smart TV, they don't have a smart TV box. And many of you do want to have that functionality on your phone where you can control your TV. Even you can actually even control your AC units. Many people have told me that they were able to control their air conditioning units from home. I know there's going to be a few people in the US. I got to tell you personally, when I had my smart TV or the smart device like the Roku, I was able to control the TV through the Wi-Fi connection, and I did it through the Note 4. But when I didn't have that before that, I used to be able to change the channel, change the volume, just directly using the infrared technology. For some of you that don't know what the IR Blaster is infrared technology. In a nutshell, it's basically the same functionality that you have on your remote on how you control your TV. If you have that in your phone, you're able to change the channel, change the volume using your phone directly. Also, you're going to be able to control all the things like AC units and anything else that is compatible with the IR technology. In my personal opinion, I think that on a phone like the Galaxy Note 10 that is going to be over $1,000, I don't know that a lot of people around the world that are using a budget phone are going to be able to afford it or are going to be willing to spend that much money on this phone. I think the average person that doesn't have a smart TV, doesn't have a smart device, is not going to be able to buy or doesn't care about buying a $1,000 phone. If Samsung was to bring back the IR Blaster, maybe they should bring it back on some of the budget phones. I know a lot of you guys been asking that you do want to have that IR Blaster back. And in my opinion, I think once you move into smart devices like a smart TV, smart set-top box, you are not going to need the IR Blaster, but I know right now a lot of people can still take advantages of that functionality. And I know many of you guys that even have got the Galaxy Note 8, Note 9, still been asking for an IR Blaster back on the Galaxy Note series. I know we also talk about the Samsung is going to get rid of the audio jack, something that not a lot of people are very happy about it. Do you think maybe this is just a distraction? So they get rid of the audio jack, they bring back the IR Blaster, and then maybe they'll get rid of it in the future? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to have the discussion. Do you think Samsung should bring back the IR Blaster on the Galaxy Note 10, which is going to be a phone that's going to cost over $1,000? Or you think this is just a gimmick and it's something that is probably not going to happen? I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Let me know. Let's have the discussion below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.